Hello everyone. So the essay paper of 2021 mains is over और सबको पता है, अब तक भनक लग गई होगी कि पेपर कैसा था, ट्रेंड कैसा था। सबसे फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, सबसे पहले मैं यही कहना चाहूंगा कि जिन लोगों ने भी मेंस लिखा हुआ है उनमें से किसी को भी एक भी परसेंट डीमोटिवेट, डीमोरलाइज या हताश होने की जरूरत नहीं है। बहुत लोगों से बात करने के बाद यही निष्कर्ष है और अपना भी यही परसेप्शन था कि टॉपिक्स टफ हैं। अभी तक यूपीएससी एक पार्ट में फिलोसफिकल टॉपिक्स देता था, इस बार यूपीएससी ने दोनों पार्ट में फिलोसफिकल टॉपिक्स दे दिए हैं, तो लोगों को वाकई में दिक्कत का सामना करना पड़ा है। इसलिए हमारे पास कोई भी रीजन नहीं है दैट वी शुड फील certain kind of pressure or certain kind of hopelessness, right? Hope is a good thing, and few good things are very important in life. Okay, having said this, let us quickly browse through the topics of this year and do a one-liner surgery of every topic. Okay, how you could have or the more importantly, not it is not for this year people, but to the people those who are going to appear in the coming years, what should they do and how should they align their preparation. Okay, let me show you this year's essay topics so that you get a broader idea about your preparation. Okay. So in part A, the topics were, the first topic was, the process of self-discovery has now been technologically outsourced. For example, जो अर्लियर पार्ट में एंशियंट टाइम्स में हमारी सेल्फ डिस्कवरी हम करते थे, एक अंदर ही अंदर हम लोग गोता लगाते थे, सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन, राइट, कंटेम्पलेशन, is it or not, a kind of, you can say, spiritual discovery. वो क्या होता था, that used to take place in a serene environment. People used to go in aloof places and try to find out the inner meaning of life. But what in modern times is taking place, the life is so fast paced that we are not getting time to contemplate. In a way, the maximum time, the waking hours of a human being are spent more and more on one form of the one form of the technology or the other, be it TV, be it laptop, be it mobile, be it social media, be it any kind of technology, whether you are at work or whether you are at home, right? Since morning we wake up, we take up the mobile. Since evening, late night, when we go to bed, when we hit the bed, we end our day on our mobile. So in a way, we are trying to find the meaning of life in a technology driven society. This should have been the line of thought in this essay. Second, your perception of me is a reflection of you. My reaction to you is an awareness of me. The first line says, your perception of me is a reflection of you. As we say that I am responsible for what I say, not what you understand, because what you understand would be in a context that what knowledge base, what depth you have already as a person, right? I would say based upon my knowledge, my level of depth, right? So the perception of an individual is not the reflection of what other people is saying, but the reflection of what is the depth of the individual that is receiving the argument. The second part of the essay says, my reaction to you is an awareness of me. You make a certain kind of behavior. If I am an impulsive man, if I have lack of emotional intelligence, my behavior, my reaction to you would be very impulsive. And if I respond to your behavior, that shows that I am aware, I have a conscious awareness of myself, of my surroundings, and also of you. Third, philosophy of wantlessness is utopian, while materialism is a chimera. As in, philosophy of wantlessness is an ideal thing, and what is ideal cannot be translated into reality. For example, when we say, in fact, the desirelessness is also a form of desire. So everything we think of is a desire. That is why the essay topic is saying philosophy of wantlessness is utopian, right? There is no individual on earth which can move beyond desires. Very few individuals on this planet has lived which actually have transgressed into another plane where all the desires have been ended. And the second part of the essay says, while materialism is a chimera, materialism is a sort of maya, prapanch, right? Although we have to live in this materialistic world, but we have to live like a lotus, right? So, and the fourth topic is the real is rational and the rational is real. That whatever is real is rational. Every rational thought, every rational idea, every rational philosophy. What can be justified rationally would be real. So it is, fourth is a kind of circular topic where one can find difficulty in justifying the topic. So in my judgment, first three topics are doable and fourth must have been avoided. Now let's come to the part B. Hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. It says the spirit of the topic is the hands, it is symbolic. The hand that on the hands on which our childhood depends are the hands that rules the world, because the responsibility of the future, the responsibility of a character of the child depends upon the hands that takes care of the child. And that is why we say the child is the father of man. That is why we say catch them young. A child is a fertile ground, whether you sow the seeds of goodness or whether you sow the seeds of evil. He will turn into an adult based upon the childhood that he has received, based upon the child rearing practices that we have. A very autocratic child rearing practice would develop into an individual which has a very autocratic kind of personality. Coming into the second topic, again, what is research but a blind date with knowledge, right? In a way, the research, when we go for a research, we never know that where we will land. It is a kind of experiment, right? It is a kind of experiment, as in it is a blind date. But this topic is easy to start. You can give some example from research fraternity, but you have to diversify. Now, research here could have been diversified into, for example, the experiment of Mahatma Gandhi with non-violence. It was a kind of research that took place on this planet with non-violence. And it was a blind date with knowledge, which culminated into a historic win of our nation. But still, if I would have been at your place, I would have avoided this writing this topic. Okay, then you can all those who have wrote this topic could have also talked about the research culture in India. What is lacking in the research culture? What government is doing about that? Promoting research culture. What is the role of institutes like IITs, NITs, and other social science research that is taking place, right? The third topic is history repeats itself, first as a tragedy, second as a farce. If we are not able to correct our mistakes in the past, they will repeat as a tragedy. They will have much more repercussions in our life, for an individual, for a society, for community, for a nation. And even then, if we are not able to correct our mistake, it would repeat itself as a farce, a ridiculous situation, a tamasha, we call it in Hindi, right? So, in other phrase, if we want to define the topic, it is we should live life backwards, but we must understand life backwards, but we must live life forward in future. Okay. The fourth topic is there are better practices to best practice. Now, best practice is a kind of, you can say, perfection, near perfection practice. So the topic says to reach best practice, to reach perfection, there is always a better practice. as you devote time, as you devote your intelligence, your intellectual towards anything, every time you will reach a better practice to reach the best practice. That is why we say that every problem has multiple solutions, multiple pathways. And that is the reason every time one topper would say that certain kind of approach has worked for her, but other topper would come, they would say this kind of approach has worked for him. Right? So this is the essence of this year's paper. The only thing I would like to say is that अब आप लोगों को जो लोग मेंस दे रहे हैं, आप लोगों को कल और परसों पे फोकस करना है. Few things that you have to take care about, that how will you commute, the public transport and other things. Be prepared for all that. Do not make it a late night, as in you are reading, you are studying till 1 or 2 o'clock in night. That will reduce your performance. A good sound sleep will always enhance your performance, right? And another thing, another suggestion to the people, those who are going to appear in the coming years, is that widen the scope of your preparation. Do not become a very mechanical sort of candidate who try to memorize and try to become a civil servant. UPSC is evolving, UPSC is changing, so you have to change your reading habits, read well, study well, and perform well. So this is all from my side. If you want to know anything about essay, you can write in the comments section. We will definitely try to come up with that thing. All the best. God bless you.